Welcome to WebStylePress. We are going to create toggle functionality for multiple cards by using vanilla JavaScript. We have two cards containing title and text area or details area. Clicking at card title will toggle its details area like so. We will also toggle active class if this card is opened. Let's create it. This is our HTML document and I have got Twitter Bootstrap linked with this document, my own custom.css file and then custom.js script file at the bottom. We have got container, raw, and we have got two columns. This is our card, this is outer class toggle wrap, and this is toggle dash trigger. This is the title of the card. We will click at this title and this area will be toggled. This area is with class toggle area. So at click of this toggle trigger, we will toggle this toggle area section. This div will be toggled. We will take its copy and now we have got two cards. Let's make it anchor. Save, and we have got this output. This is our CSS, nothing much here. We will use JavaScript for toggle functionality. This is our JavaScript file. First of all, we will add an event listener. We added an event listener at document that will listen to DOM being loaded. When DOM or document object model will be ready, it will fire a function named as getClickedElement. And this is that function that will be triggered when our page will be ready. In this function, we will select all elements with toggle-trigger class, that is class for the title of our card. And for its each occurrence in document, we will add a click event listener. We will need query selector all because we want to select all toggle-trigger, that is class at our title. And for each item now we have got this item that will contain this toggle trigger element. We will add click event listener at this item dot add event listener. Listener will be click and then function e preventDefault. Instead of this e, you can also write event. This event.preventDefault is to prevent page reload in case if title is an anchor. Now we have added event listener for this element. After it we have to get this. This will be the element that will be toggled. We are calling it area. So we will use item again. Item is this element. Closest. Its closest toggle wrap. Then we will find element inside it. We will use query selector. Not query selector all, just query selector. And we are finding this area that will be toggled. We took a variable area and from item we found its outer closest element, that is toggle dash wrap, and from toggle dash wrap we selected toggle area inside that toggle wrap area. Now this is the element that should be toggled and it's inside this variable. Now we will call a function and we will pass this element inside it as an argument. Now we have to use this function. So this function is expecting this area, this element that we found here, that we defined here. This is being passed to this function here. If area else, so if area, if this element has got style display equal to none, then what should happen? And here is else case. If this area has got style display none, it should be changed to display block. Area dot style dot display block, and in else case area dot style dot display none. We are just toggling display style to block or none. Also let's toggle the class. Area dot closest toggle wrap dot class list dot add active. When this toggle area will be displayed, then we are adding active class to its wrapper, toggle wrap. If this area will be toggled, if this area will have a style of display block, then this toggle wrap will receive a class active. Otherwise that active class will go and this area will have CSS style of display none. So that is the whole story. Let's try this. So this is working, no errors. So basically this is toggle wrap, the whole area. And inside it we have got this toggle trigger. And this is our area that will be toggled. Right now it is showing display block. If I click here, that active class went away, and then this style shows display none. And if I click here again, this wrapper will receive active class, and then this style will show display block. Similarly for the second block here. So this is how you can create toggle functionality by using pure vanilla JavaScript. Alright, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.